Hello, PC students. Here is a video on how to get Screencastify installed and set up correctly so you can record yourself and record your screen if you need to going forward. So what you want to do is look for the Chrome Screencastify extension. And on the Chrome Web Store, you just want to hit Add to Chrome. Add extension. And it will automatically install in the top right corner next to your other extensions. There it is. Click on the extension. Sign in with Google. And then make sure that you allow your camera and microphone. Next, allow. Excellent. Now you've installed Screencastify.